Were you ever scared of a car wash when you were little? I was. And you know why? Because right behind me, it's like we're gonna drown in the car. It's crazy. Scary. Woo! Oh, it's just water. Does anybody watch this show? I think it's pretty interesting. It's called Fringe, it's on Fox. Check it out if you got some free time. We're at the BSU game, and I can feel the band beneath my feet, and it's cold. I can't feel my fingertips. Frostbite? Frostbite, maybe?
Yeah, frostbite.
Frostbite, woo! Kizzy, look here. Woo, look, caution tape. Woo! This is what we do in public. We play more video games.
Shut up,
Isn't that right, Taylor Jordan?
Yeah. Brian,
Own
you
'em.
need more quarters. No.
Brian, more quarters. Quarters.
Spent it all on that one.
Button mash. Button mash. It's not working.
It's not working. Hi.
Hi. Kettle! Zombies! Ryan's like, I'm ready to take some zombies down.
What's a zombie?
Happy face.
Happy face.
Well, we love you, Cooper. Do you want a hug?